Hi everyone, welcome to Cheerful Journey channel. I'm Audrey and today I'll be sharing with you how I made some pouch inserts for my planner. For this particular project, I'll be using this free printable from Craftalicious Loves. I printed it on a transparent sticker sheet. As you may have noticed, the photo below is quite different from the photo above because I flip it horizontally to make a mirror image. I'll also be using this iridescent sheet to make our pouch more beautiful. It's good to know that these two photos can fit in one iridescent sheet. I already cut these photos, but you may also use your handy-dandy scissors to cut it. Now it's time to peel these sticker sheets and then let's stick it on our iridescent sheet. We need to make sure that we stick it flatly on the sheet. Now I'm pressing it horizontally to remove the bubbles. Now it's time to stick on the other sheet. We need to be extra careful to be sure that we stick the sticker flatly on the sheet. Now that we have these two stickers on the iridescent sheet, it's time for us to cut it. Now you can see the beautiful effect of this transparent sheet against the iridescent sheet. Now we'll put it back to back each other before we laminate it. While waiting for the laminating machine to be ready, I also printed and cut another pouch from the October digital kit of Craftalicious Loves. Now let us put these two pouches inside the laminating sheet. Now it's time for us to laminate. Just look at how beautiful are these pouches. Now it's time for us to do the cutting, and we need to make sure that we are cutting outside the laminating line of each photos. Since I'll be using this for my A5 ring binder, I allotted around half an inch on the side for the rings. Now that we're done cutting it, let us use an X-Acto knife to cut a slit on the opening of the pouch. Now let us cut the other pouch that we laminated. Again, I'm allotting extra space for the ring since I'll be using it for my ring planner. Another way of putting an opening to your pouch is through the use of your scissors. Just cut within the laminating line and voila, you have an opening to your pouch. I just punched some holes on the sides and now it is ready to be placed on my A5 ring planner. Just look at how pretty are these pouches. Of course, these won't be complete without some planner goodies. And there we have it, our DIY planner pouch inserts. Hope that you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to join me again next time in my wonderful world of Cheerful Journey. Bye!